Welcome to Merging Fonts in SewWhat-Pro by Applique Bliss. Today we're going to talk about how to add lettering to existing designs that you may purchase using purchase fonts. The first thing you're going to want to do is open the design that you want to stitch. You do that by going to the little folder that is open, and you will select the design that you would like to stitch. As you can see, I selected the split anchor. The next thing you're going to do is add the lettering. To add lettering, you need to start by going to File and then Merge. Once you select that, you can go to the file that holds the font that you would like to use. You're going to put in the first letter of the name that you're going to put in. I'm going to add the name Brooke. So I'm going to put in the B in 1 inch. And then I'm going to put it approximately where I think it should be. The next thing I'm going to do is add the additional letters. The easiest way to do that is to go to this icon at the top of the page that looks like a little white folder and actually has icons written on it. You will press that button, and as you can see, this opens up usually in alphabet mode. If you do unclick the box, it will show you all the different alphabet letters. However, they're not quite as easy to put in, so you'll definitely want to select that checkbox. So to add the additional lettering, I am going to put in the letters, and so I'm just going to click on the R, and as you can see, it puts it right next to the B. O, O, and then K. So here we have the name. The next thing I'm going to do is turn off the icon section. So I'm just going to click that again, and you will want to then go in and select all of your letters. The easiest way to do that is press Control and select all of the letters over here on the right side based on the thread color. Finally, I'm going to go to the alignment tool that is here at the top of the page, and you just select that, and you can align to the top or the bottom. You can align them in the middle if you would like, but I'm just going to align them to the bottom. Sometimes with fonts, letters aren't exactly the same size. If you select a 1-inch font, some of them could be 0.95 inches, some of it could be 1.1 inches. That's usually kind of an approximate number. So you will want to align those. I like to align them to the bottom, and then I'm going to estimate my spacing. I'm going to guess that I may need about a 20% spacing adjustment. I'm going to press OK, and that looks pretty good. If you ever do anything that you don't like, if you do the spacing and it's too large or too small, the easiest thing to do is just go to this arrow and undo it, and then just do it again and try to make some adjustments. So I have got Brooke spaced out pretty well. However, I do want to make sure that I have it centered in the middle of the design. Luckily, there are grid lines that help you guide that, and as you can see, because of the little boxes that show me where the middle of this section of the design is, it's pretty close to the middle, but you can always move that around however you like, if you'd like to. And so this design is almost complete. Now you can save it. You just go to File, Save As. You can name it, and then you can select the file type based on the file type that your machine uses. So I always use PES, and I'm going to save. And there you go. And just if you want to see what that looks like, I will close this and then I will open up Brooke, and you can see that it is now saved as one design for your machine to stitch out. Thank you very much, and don't forget to shop at Applique Bliss on Etsy.